Today we will learn some vocabulary related to British food and culture. Say these words with your English voice. Haggis. Haggis. This is a dish from Scotland consisting of different sheep's organs cut up with onions and spices and cooked inside a sheep's stomach. Let's use it in a sentence. Haggis is traditionally served on New Year's Eve. Pasty. Pasty. A pasty is a piece of food made of pastry filled with meat, vegetables, or cheese. Pasties were originally eaten by miners, fishermen, and farmers. Lamb. Lamb. This is a young sheep or the flesh of a young sheep eaten as meat. We had roast lamb for dinner last night. Stew. Stew. This is a type of food consisting usually of meat or fish and vegetables cooked slowly in a small amount of liquid. A warm and hearty stew is a favorite wintertime dish. Kilt. Kilt. This is a skirt with many folds made from tartan cloth and traditionally worn by Scottish men and boys. My father and brothers wear kilts on special occasions. Cornish. Cornish. This is relating to Cornwall or its people or language. Cornish pasties are made in Cornwall. Gaelic. Gaelic. This is relating to the Gaelic group of Celtic languages, particularly Scottish Gaelic and the speakers of these languages and their culture. Andrew grew up speaking Gaelic as his first language.